morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. This morning we'll talk about ZKSpace, ZKS. It's a project I'm just literally getting a nice bag of. You can actually buy it on quite a few exchanges like Gate, OKX, Huobi, and many others. Okay, so I really do like what they're doing. I like their potential. It's been around a couple of years now. It used to be called ZKSwap. And so at the moment it's quite lowly ranked 770, but there's 1.9 million people watching on CoinMarketCap. And the markup itself is basically 9.4 million, so a real low cap gem. It's never financial advice, as you know, it's just my humble opinion, but it's a project I'm going to get a real solid bag on and actually get some more as we progress in this month. Volume in the last 24 hours approaching 500,000. The only downside is the supply. We're only at 20%, so basically approaching 200 million, but it's obviously a 1 billion max supply. So again, that's a bit of a negative. So at the moment, we're approaching 5p each. But I'm thinking long term, and with these ZK-Rollups, we spoke a lot about what ZK-Rollups are. Layer-2 is built on Ethereum, better scalability, less gas fees, etc. And this is what they're really trying to achieve, ZKSpace here. I say it's been around, a good few years when it was ZKSwap. So I'm surprised it's so lowly ranked. But when I look at their roadmap and their plans, etc., I really am very hopeful and bullish for their future plans, how they develop this year and beyond. When you go on their website, ZKS.org, you can see ZKSpace Layer-2 for all featured Layer-2 protocol using ZK-Rollups. Layer-2 transactions are complete instantly without waiting for block confirmations. Meanwhile, gas fees are reduced by tens of times. So obviously everything's cheaper than Ethereum, let's be honest. So that's what the whole point of the Layer-2s are. So again, it's great to see. You see there the total value locked on ZKSwap, which was to say its original name. It's approaching $52 million. Okay, now, also talks about here more in depth is why ZKSpace. We adopt the ZK-Rollups technology based on zero-knowledge proofs, which can aggregate and package transactions on Layer-2 and then upload them to the chain. Layer-2 transactions can be confirmed immediately without waiting for the block to be produced. Theoretically, the TPS, transactions per second, can reach 10,000 plus. The user's assets are completely stored in their own wallets and no one else can embezzle those assets. So again, completely decentralized, and obviously the massive security is what you need. Again, trust-free, that's what you want, the low gas fees, extremely fast transaction, unlimited scalability, and that's what they're offering ZKSpace. And it states there, based on ZK-Rollups, the TPS can be increased by multiple orders of signatures. So you can see the ZKSpace Layer-2 server, can use the website to interact with the user and monitor transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Also like their blogs, they talk a lot of depth about their blogs, and I saw that it was a nice ZKSea versus Mutable X, two ZK-Rollup based NFT platforms. Now, there's three main parts to ZKSpace. You've got obviously ZKSwap, and you can sort of see it there. You can see all different parts of it up here. You've got a lot of information here. You can connect your wallet, etc. So again, that's great to see. They've also got this Layer-2 AMM DEX, automatic market maker DEX, utilizing ZK-Rollup technology. They've also got the payment service. You see up here, they've got the payment service, which is ZKSquare, and an NFT minting center, a marketplace called ZKSea, which you can again see here. So the dashboard's got everything you ever need about the project all in one. You obviously got the DEX on a different site on their app, but you can actually see they've got so much going on here. And the fact they've got these three main parts to me is actually really good. And I really do like that. That really takes it, I think, to the next level. I'll say, there's no guarantees, always say, but I think these ZK-Rollups, we could have a real good season soon. A bit like with the AI, I think these rollups really could take up a whole new meaning and really do absolutely fantastic. But when you get these low cap gems, obviously there's even less of a guarantee. It's even more risk than crypto already is. So only time will tell, but I do like what they're doing. I say I'd also like their app. You can see there, NFT wallet as well as ERC20 wallet. You've got there the Explore, you can investigate. But say an NFT market, an L2 wallet, and etc. So I like their tweets. They're very active on social media generally, but their Twitter I really do like. And I've got an overview here of ZKSpace Layer-2 products again, what we were talking about there. And just looking at it there, and again, you see the ZKSwap and AMX DEX running since February 21. Low gas fee instant confirmation, support unlimited and free ERC20 token listing by users. 100% roll-up of transaction data. Same security as Ethereum mainnet. And also the ZK-Rollup OpenSea, and I like that I've seen on their blog when they compare themselves to Mutable X, which is another project I mentioned before, which I need to do an update video on, because I really do like that project as well. So you can see they say the payment side of it, no platform fee, depositing from Layer-1, only 20 to 40 minutes before we're drawing back to Layer-1. Now, what I also do here, they actually tell you how to do it. They've got these Layer-Swap docs, and you can see here how to sort of Layer-Swap to ZKSpace and etc. So you've got all the information you need here. basically going all different sites and Layer-2, ZKSpace withdraw, etc. So I really do like the fact they give all the ways to do it, the simple processes they offer. So it is really straightforward. But going back to the actual CoinMarketCap, I say that 1.9 million people watching just shows the potential and the huge community they've already got. They want to say a lot of exchanges already. So if you want to join and get yourself some ZKS, I do have a link below for some get on Gate or OKX or Huobi. Anyone want to help us use, just email me, info@cryptostrain.com, all the social media links below. So again, this is a brand new project. So I've literally just got myself a bag and we're getting myself a lot more. Why it's this price. But I say the circulating supply is not great. So again, you're thinking long term. As usual, I'll set some price targets for every project, including this one. But again, I'm thinking long term. But I say it's very lowly ranked. So time will tell how they develop. To me, looking at it with all the different parts of it, I really am super hopeful. But you just scroll through in their roadmap and you can see here, as a sort of later in the year, they're launching the ZK market and integrate multiple ecosystem partners, open Layer-2 ZK proof mining to all the community. I think that's really interesting. Launch ZK market events, redefine the economic model and empower ZKS, more partnerships and product cooperations. Okay, so again, this is really, really good. And even in the first 2 quarters, you can see there how they're sort of, again, exploring, introducing the ZK market, more partnerships again. So this year is a massive year for the team. So I really am very hopeful this project will give me some great profits, but again, only time will tell. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful Easter break, fantastic weekend. We will chat again soon. Cheers now, bye.